Hello again everyone and welcome back to the Weather Centre. Our satellite imagery clearly shows that thicker cloud developed today over much of the Highveld. This has been mostly due to an approaching low pressure system and upper air trough that's pulled down the moist air from further northwards, although the entire area remained dry for the day. The same system has also been pulling in moisture from south of the country along the coastline, but for that area rain has been settling in during the course of the afternoon. Heading into tomorrow, that low will move away from the country, but behind it, cooler and moist air continues to move in over the coast and further inland, showers continuing over that area. And while it will be partly cloudy in the east of the country, it should be a mostly dry day, and we expect warmer weather for the Lowveld as well as all across Limpopo and Mpumalanga. There is one alert in place for Saturday. That's a watch for the continuation of heavy rain overnight and into Saturday morning for some areas along the south coast, in particular for Port Elizabeth and the surrounding areas. And while KwaZulu-Natal will start the day off quite clear and dry, later on in the south of the area, we expect cloud cover to thicken and there could be isolated showers, perhaps even a thunderstorm or two over this region. Wetter weather for parts of the Eastern Cape, where some places remain cold into the mid-teens. For Adelaide, Bishu as well as Grahamstown, there could be some heavier rain over this area as well. And we also expect moderate to heavy showers early in the day for parts of the south coast, but things will be clearing up as we head into the afternoon. Drier conditions further westwards under partly cloudy skies, Worcester, Cape Town and Langebaan all reaching a high of 18 degrees. And it's going to be cooler into the Northern Cape for Saturday, 22 as a high for both Uppington and Kimberley. And while there's going to be some cloud development over the Free State, there'll be very little rain, although along the border with Lesotho there could be one or two small thunder showers developing. Dry all across the northwest for Saturday afternoon, when it's going to be quite warm, 25 as a high for Rustenburg, Mahikeng as well as Vryburg. Crossing over into Limpopo, where we see it's going to be very warm over this province, especially for the Lowveld, where temperatures reach the low 30s for some places. And it's also going to be an especially hot day for Skukuza over Eastern and Mpumalanga, 31 as a high, while on the Highveld it remains milder, once again 20 degrees as your high in Ermelo. Finally, into Gauteng, mostly clear skies in the forecast, and after a chilly morning, it will be a pleasant afternoon with temperatures in the lower 20s. The wind forecast for Saturday shows mostly light winds over South Africa, although a fresh to strong southwesterly wind is expected for the wild coast of the Eastern Cape. Sunday brings dry conditions to the country, although along the south coast, a weak front could bring one or two showers to both George and Port Elizabeth towards evening. And on Monday, those showers make their way up the east coast of the country as well as into the Lowveld. Lots of cloud for Bombela and much cooler with a high of 18.